Bam, pow, whoosh. Let's unleash our superpowers today on Hands-On Crafts for Kids. Let's start off by creating a utility belt to aid our superpowers.
Yes, you can. This one gives you extra super glow-in-the-dark powers.
What?
Yes.
That's amazing.
You can use glow-in-the-dark parachute cord or any color that you like to make your utility belt.
Well, what do we need to make this awesome thing?
Yeah, so what you'll need to get started are the color of cord that you want, and this is 550, so this is a thicker parachute cord.
Okay.
And it has that cotton core through the middle of it.
Okay.
Then you'll also need some carabiners, a buckle of any kind that you want, and I also added some other accessories, so you might choose from some of those too.
So you can really make it how you
can
want
make
it
it
to
your
be.
own.
Super personal.
Yeah,
awesome.
that's right.
What,
Yeah.
I've never done this before, so show me how to get
All right.
started.
Yeah, so the first thing that you'll do is take a piece of cording that is doubled over,
Okay.
and make sure that this is a little bit longer than your waist.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then I'm going to cut this one.
Okay.
So I already started threading that through. I'll show you how to tie the first knot.
Yeah, this is a
one
funky
is-
looking buckle. Why,
Yeah.
why does it look like
This
that?
is super special because it has a safety whistle.
That's so
Just
cool.
in case you're in the woods.
And you need help. Oh,
Yes.
That's so cool.
You can
All
get
right.
some help. All right, so what you'll do is push that fold through.
Okay, so you fold it in half first.
Right.
And then you push the fold through the hole. Okay,
That's
I
right.
could do that, I think.
Through the buckle.
Uh-huh.
Yep, and then you're going to tie the first knot, which is the lark's head.
Okay.
Okay, then you're going to remove the other side.
Okay.
And I'll have you hold this end, and
Okay.
I always just want to make sure.
Do you want me to keep
Actually,
the
let's
other
do it
end
this
for-
way. You hold it this way.
Oh,
Oops.
okay.
So that we know it's clasping the right direction.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll hold it like that.
Okay.
And then we'll bring these ends through here.
I got it. So you actually are kind of pretending that it's going around your waist
Right.
when you first get started.
That's right, and it gives you another chance to measure too.
That's a great idea. And
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Makes a lot of
here,
sense.
Yeah, so here, and this is a shorter version, obviously. This wouldn't really fit around.
But this could fit like my dog. My dog could have a utility
A
belt.
utility belt would be awesome
She could be
for your
super
dog.
puppy.
That's right. She probably already is, and we just don't know.
To me.
So I'm just tying a square knot here at the top.
Okay.
So I tied a half knot, and then I'll tie the other side and over the end. And
Okay.
this is just to get started.
And that's a square knot. So you
Okay.
do it one way and then the other way, and that's what makes it square.
Right. Now here's a really perfect place for clipping on your compass.
Oh.
So if you wanted to add a compass here, you can just slide this onto your cords.
What kind of mechanism does it, like, do you have to
It
tie
has
it on or it just slides
Nope,
on?
it just clips over the cords.
Oh.
So it has this little back on it that opens up, and you can
slides
just slide
through.
it over. Since we'll have a little bit of exposed cord here at the end of the belt, it's a perfect way to cover that up.
Oh, that's
Of course,
really
you
cool.
would trim this close and either ask an adult to melt the ends for you with a lighter, or you can just add a little bit of craft glue to that.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Okay, now I'm not going to cut this as long as what we really need, but you would need a piece of cord that's like 10 or 11 times longer than the belt that you want to make.
Gotcha. It's
Because
because it
now
goes
we're
back
gonna
and forth
start
and back and
knotting.
forth. So you
That's
need
right.
a lot of cord for that.
Yeah, so since you're holding that for me, I'll just go ahead and center it up here.
Okay.
And this is my cord over the top.
sorry.
Now here you could add a different color if you wanted. So here you make a loop.
Okay.
And then pass your cord under and through.
Okay.
Then you're gonna make a loop and pass it under and through.
And you're doing that same, like, this way first and then that way second?
That's right. Every
Okay.
single time you do, I'm doing the right, but
Right
it
to
doesn't matter
left?
which side you do. You just wanna make sure you do the same one.
And then
do
left
the
to
other.
right.
Bring it down, under, and through.
So it's just those two steps?
That's right, just 2 steps, and you just keep on rocking it all the way
That's
to the end of your
amazing.
belt. And then when you get to the end, you'll do the same thing where you tie that knot and then
Okay.
trim it close.
That's great. And you know, if you've missed this, this will actually be on the website along with a diagram so that you can make sure that you've got it right and go back and refer to it.
Perfect.
And you know, if you don't have a friend to hold it, what would you do?
You could duct tape it down to your work surface. You can attach it with a safety pin. There are all kinds of ways that you can attach it to something, a pillow, your couch,
That's
whatever.
great.
Just so
Show
that
me
you
a
have
couple
something
more
to pull
times,
against.
just to make sure. 'cause
Sure.
I'm a slow learner. I need to see things a couple, 3
No,
times.
that's okay.
So
You
right,
just-
and then now we're doing this glow in the dark cord, which
Right.
is super awesome.
Right.
What kind of other colors
you
does
could
it come
use
in?
red if you're doing Superman. You could do green. If you want to be a pink superhero, you could do hot pink or any kind of magenta. You could even do camo if you want to be a little bit more hidden.
That's amazing.
So now when you're ready to attach your hooks,
Okay.
all you'll have to do at the end of your bracelet is press down, and I'll pick one of these that's kind of sticking up already.
Oh, okay.
And then just wiggle your carabiner down through here. And now you can attach a flashlight. You know, you can attach your house keys. You could do anything that you think your superhero might need. Maybe some handcuffs. Maybe your superhero power is hiding in the dark. You need your flashlight or some glow sticks. You could definitely
Absolutely.
tuck some glow sticks into your utility belt here, and then you can make it. even glow it more.
You could really have a lot of fun with this.
That's right.
I think my superhero belt would have to be like, hot pink and yellow.
I think that would be fun.
If you're going to finish this up, how do you finish it up on the other side? Is there anything special you have to do?
You would go all the way around to the other end. Same idea as where we began.
Okay.
So you'll just tie that
snip,
square
snip.
knot, snip, melt, or add a little bit of glue.
My, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Candie.
You're welcome.